PTHH Ransomware is another addition to Stop Djvu Ransomware. Like other associated strains of this threat, this ransomware locks files and demands a ransom fee to restore access. Infections like PTHH Ransomware are distributed via software bundles. So if you download freeware or pirated apps from cracked software sites, you could end up installing it. PTHH Ransomware locks most popular file types like photos, music, etc. During the file encryption process, this ransomware adds the .pthh extension to affected files and leaves a ransom note on the desktop and in every folder with encrypted files. Once downloaded and installed, PTHH Ransomware employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. Quite often, information stealers like Corbot and Redline are deployed alongside ransomware, allowing hackers to access sensitive user information before the algorithm encrypts the files. Therefore, it's possible for PTHH Ransomware to use similar tools as well. After file encryption, the ransomware demands a ransom so that victims could supposedly obtain a decryption key. The key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if you contact them within 3 days. The attackers like to communicate via the emails support@freshmail.top and datarestorehelp@airmail.cc. We discourage establishing contact with the hackers, however, as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after payment. The best course of action is focusing on how to protect and restore your data from similar threats in the future. It's important to note that this ransomware, PTHH, does not just encrypt data. Infections from this Stop Djvu ransomware family can also attempt to delete shadow copies of your affected files. This can make document and data recovery extremely difficult, if not impossible. How do I deal with the PTHH ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the PTHH ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way you can regularly scan for elements associated with this ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware attack, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.